Hey guys, it's Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning, and behind me is a 2020 Nissan Navara NP300. Before I go on, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel. The owners brought this to our Gold Coast Performance Centre to get a custom dyno tune on it. But before we do any custom dyno tuning work to any of the vehicles, we need to get them in the workshop and do the pre-tune inspection. We've now completed the mechanical inspection on the Navara, and as expected, it's all good to go. So we're going to put it on the dyno and start the custom dyno tune. The Navara is used as a daily driver, and it's also used a lot on the beach. This Navara's got a few extras on it. You can see from the front bar, lights, winch, as well as also running a set of 33-inch tyres with a 2-inch lift kit. It's also got the aftermarket snorkel fitted, the racks on the top with another light bar, and has also got an exhaust system on also. With all the custom dyno tuning at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, it's really important that we have a good understanding of what the vehicle's being used for and a clear list of all the extras on it. We've now finished the custom dyno tune on the NP300. Let's have a look at the results. So when it first ran in, it had 92 kilowatts of power and 267 newton meters of torque at the rear tyres. After we completed the custom dyno tune, it went up to 120 kilowatts of power and 361 newton meters of torque. This was in peak power, over 30% gain, and in torque was 35%, which is really noticeable in the NP300. Well guys, a Nissan Navara NP300 custom dyno tuned by us at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. If you're looking to improve the performance of your common rail diesel vehicle or your NP300, give us a call and speak to one of our diesel experts, or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, we do have a dealer network all around Australia, but make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.